What is up, y'all? So in today's video, I'm going out in Virginia Beach. We're gonna go try to catch some big cobia with sashimi sport fishing. This is my dream trip. I've been talking about this for a couple years. I'm super excited, and without further ado, see you at the boat.
What's a shark? No, wait.
Yes!
Get down there, buddy.
I'm trying with this. That was so sick.
Grab it like you mean it. Don't let go. Cover the.
Alright. Yes, sir. 2 seconds already on a cobia. He's already up here. That was so sick when he came up.
Did you see him chasing?
Yeah! Thank you so much. Oh, you got snagged the crap out of me. Yeah!
Way to go, dude. First one.
That's my first one. My first cobia ever. Little guy crushed the bucktail. Super sick. We're gonna get a nice release.
Good. Come on. Yep.
Woo! He splashed the crap out of me. Heck yeah! Yeah! Nice cobia. I saw him come up and eat it. Woo! Heck yeah! Big cobia, dude! On the bunker. How big is this fish?
It's not like 45 inches. It's not crazy. I've seen this fish big enough like she's about to jump or something. There he is.
Oh, dude, this is a big one.
I can kill fish all day long.
He's angry.
Keep him tight. Keep him tight.
I mean, I'm gaining a little bit now. Come on.
Throw it out. Throw it out. Throw it out.
Or you can let go if you want to net him. Yeah, get him! Yes! It's open, it's open. Yes! Stop! Alright, y'all. Check out this stud cobia, probably 45, 50 pounder. This is what I came to Virginia for. One of my biggest fish ever. Super cool, super big, super excited, dude. Look at this thing. Dude. Crushed the bunker. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. I had so much fun making this video. This is my favorite video of all time. We caught 2 really nice cobia. The first one was really nice, and the second one was ginormous. It was a long fight. It was one of the hardest fighting fish I ever caught. And thank you so much to Sashimi Sport Fishing for putting me on the fish. And I'll see you guys in the next video.